Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delightful mixed Falooda. To begin, gather your essential ingredients for this refreshing dessert. You will need 1/4 cup of Falooda vermicelli, 2 tablespoons of basil seeds, and 1 cup of chilled milk. Also, prepare 2 tablespoons of fragrant rose syrup, 1/4 cup of colorful fruit jelly, and 1 scoop of your favorite ice cream. A tall glass is perfect for showcasing your beautiful layers. Next, let's prepare each component to perfection. First, soak 2 tablespoons of basil seeds in 1 cup of water for about 15 minutes. They will expand significantly. Simultaneously, boil 1/4 cup of Falooda vermicelli in water for 3 to 5 minutes until it becomes tender. Drain and rinse the vermicelli with cold water. Prepare your fruit jelly as directed on its package, then cut it into small, bite-sized cubes. Ensure all these prepared ingredients are well chilled. Now comes the exciting part, assembling your Falooda. Start by drizzling 1 tablespoon of rose syrup into the bottom of a tall glass. Next, carefully add 1/4 of the soaked basil seeds, followed by 1/4 of the cooked vermicelli. Then, place a generous portion of your colorful fruit jelly cubes on top of these layers. Gently pour about 1/2 cup of chilled milk over all the ingredients, ensuring they are well covered. To complete your delicious Falooda, add a large scoop of your preferred ice cream, such as creamy vanilla or rich pistachio, right on top. For an extra burst of flavor and a beautiful finish, drizzle an additional 1/2 tablespoon of rose syrup over the ice cream. Finally, garnish your masterpiece with a sprinkle of finely chopped nuts, like pistachios or almonds, for a delightful crunch. Serve your freshly made Falooda immediately, with a long spoon to savor every layered bite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.